Everybody, Justin Rule here from Launch Kits. We get asked a lot about when the right time is to start certain businesses. Certainly, there is seasonality to the ebb and flow of customers looking for a particular business. So, for example, dig a pond in my backyard or paint my exterior of my home or install a new patio deck. Those all have seasonalities, right, that would make sense. Specifically, lawn care services, lawn care businesses ask, what is the best time to start a lawn care business? We work with a lot of lawn care companies, and we help a lot of entrepreneurs start from ground zero. So the answer may surprise you. The best time to launch a lawn care service company is, drumroll, is not in the summertime. I mean, if you're a high school kid and you just want to get some weekend jobs, you could hand out flyers and probably pick up a few lawns in your neighborhood. That's good for you. But if you're looking to start a sustainable business, that will sustain a family, maybe grow to a few employees, the best time to start a lawn care business is in the late fall or winter season. This video finds you in December, and that is the perfect time to start a lawn care business. And I'm going to give you 3 big reasons why the late fall and the winter is the best time to start a lawn care service company. Number 1, other lawn care companies are often looking to offload some of their trucks, trailers, mowers as they are looking to buy maybe newer equipment, the latest and greatest new thing that's coming out. So you can get great deals on equipment. When you start a lawn care company, depending how big you want to hit the ground rolling, cutting, you typically want some things like a trailer, at least one riding mower, some trimmers, blowers, the basic essentials. And those things you can often get cheaper from companies that have used them for a year or two. They don't have a ton of hours on the motors. And so you can get a great deal that's better than going to, buying new from a local, supply shop. So your upfront equipment costs will be lower when you start in the late fall or winter time. That's reason number 1. The second reason why late fall and winter is a great time to start a lawn care company is because as you are setting up your brand, setting up a website, thinking through your process, starting to market what's going to make you different and differentiate yourself from the local competition. When you start doing things on a website, it takes a couple months for Google to what's called index what content you're providing. And so if you start, say, in late spring and you're like, I want to have this booming in the summertime, it's a couple months, but it's the couple months that the established brands are already revving, working, all of their kind of SEO, placement, review profiles and all that are strong and getting stronger. So if you're starting and you're just getting online, you want to do late fall, winter time, you want to set up your website, you want to start putting out what's our process, you want to start adding content to your website about specific maybe types of grass. We're experts in Bermuda grass management, or types of services you are going to provide, like spring cleanups or maybe fall cleanups and monthly services, or whether you're going to commercial focus for commercial mowing or you want to try and pick up residential jobs and try and figure out your pricing. All of those things you can do and give Google time to catch up, understand, in what's called index your website before the season hits and people actually start looking for lawn care company near me. So it's a great time. It's a much better time than late spring or in the middle of summer to start building your brand. So number 2, you're being aware of and working with the digital rhythms of how YouTube and Google specifically index and understand content. The third reason you typically want to start late fall or winter is because of the process and the people you're going to need to find. So thinking through your process of, do you do same day quotes? Wait, how do I do same day quotes? Do I need a digital estimate tool? Do I go out? When you kind of think through all of those rhythms, and possibly you're looking for someone to help you lift the burden when you start rather than shouldering it all. Again, a lot of times people might be between jobs. They're laid off from maybe seasonally laid off from the lawn care company they were working with. Maybe there's pros and cons to their experience there, and they're thinking, maybe they can come to you and you can hire someone that already has some expertise and has some understanding of the business to help you maybe see things from a different perspective or consider as you're setting up your lawn care company. So the people and the processes that you're going to need to have in place to run effectively when the phones start ringing, the website leads start coming in the spring and summer, it's a good time to pick them up and kind of work through those things, especially if you're a new brand and you're trying to figure out, logo placement. Sometimes you're getting vehicles that need maybe wrapped or magnets on the side, and thinking through all of those, elements. So again, surprisingly, the best time to launch a lawn care company is usually when there's snow on the ground, when it's late fall or winter season's just getting underway. Again, people are offloading equipment. You can take advantage of great prices. Digital brand footprints can start to be established so that they're effective come spring. And third, you want to work through people and processes before everything starts, going off the hook. Because it's a hard thing to work on processes when the wheels are turning, right? You got to pull the car over, downshift. You got to, take your time shifting gears. So I hope this video is helpful. If you're considering starting a lawn care company, there's launch kits. There's also our special brand that we offer called Lawn Care Launchers that will specifically connect you with a team of experts here that specialize just in helping lawn care websites get off the ground. And we have strategy meetings together with all the other lawn care businesses that we work with before the season starts, in the middle of the season, and after the season. So it's a good way to make sure you're doing the essential best practices, not wasting time, not wasting money, not wasting marketing dollars, throwing them at the latest shiny penny, but actually doing effective, proven tactics to grow your lawn care company. So hopefully this helps as you plan what's next for you in the off season. All right, have a great day.